Good days to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Joan A. Balara. I am 56 years old. I live in Dumalangwan, Matina, Playa, Davao City, Philippines. I am married, blessed with 5 children. I have 3 boys and 2 girls. I graduate in ALS. I work as a domestic helper in Riyadh, Bahrain, and Jeddah. In a year, I serve 4 persons, 2 adults and 2 kids. In Bahrain, I serve 2 persons, 2 adults. In Jeddah, I serve 3 persons, 2 adults and 1 infant. My main duty is cleaning the house, cooking food, doing laundry, wash the dishes, ironing, and take care of the kids. I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the highest rates of salary, friendly people, safe country. To my future employer, please hire me as a helper because I am hardworking, honest, flexible, and willing to learn the task given. If you hire me, I will do my best in my duty and my responsibility, and I promise to finish my contract to work with you as long as you need. Thank you. God bless.